What it ain't what it is. So today we are going to be installing the new horns because I'm not sure if you guys have heard or even used your horn yet, but they sound puny and I don't like that. I mean, for an SI, you would think the horn would sound louder or deeper, but it doesn't. And I don't think it changes on any of the Civics. I think they all sound the same for 2022. So I got double horns. They're low and high tones, so they make a, yeah, this is the brand name. Let me see. That's the high and then that's the low. So the Civic already has one horn. I'm gonna see if I can wire it somehow to have it go to two of them. But yeah, let's see. They come with wires, and then you can wire it up. But let me see if I have it. Yes, I do. I bought the adapter for the horn. So hold on, let me try to get this open in one hand. Wait. So the adapter looks like this. Like that, and then the end of it goes to the aftermarket horn. The two prongs that go right here, pretty much. So we're gonna try to find a spot to put that in, or replace the one that's already there, and see how it goes. All right, I'm back just to show you. I took off my bumper. Yeah, it's pretty easy to take off your bumper at this point. It's like it's pretty easy. My wires are showing for my underglow. I gotta fix those again. It's gonna be a pain, but here's what I did. The horns, the aftermarket horns, they come with these wires already for the prongs to go in here, and I already have the I already showed you in the previous section that I bought the, I guess, adapter to fit perfectly into the horn right there that's sticking out. So what I did was take one of these, and then I cut a section out of one of the wires. So I pretty much marked them together so they'll fit in one. Another black wire will go in here, so I could run two horns at the same time. Hopefully that doesn't cause any shortage or anything, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to do this and see how it sounds. All right, I just finished, and I forgot to take a video of the layout that I had in there, but it came with brackets. I put both of them on the same bracket, where the original horn was on the car, and where the original horn was, I put two brackets for the two aftermarket horns on that same hole. And it sits kind of weird, but you know what? It's a horn, so you're gonna hear it anyway. The trumpets, or the output, one of them's kind of facing the upper portion of like metal, and the other one's facing like outwards. So this is with my door open, and then this is my door closed. SI. It's kind of a vibration, so it's pretty loud on the car. Before the puny little horn, I couldn't really feel or hear anything really. It sounded kind of weird, but it's pretty loud, to be honest, and I think it sounds way better than it did. So that concludes this little install. Wasn't anything too crazy, but hopefully I don't have a shortage, because I wired, as you saw in the video, I wired both of them together. I put timestamps to, you know, to everything that was on the video, but and where I got the product. So that is all. I will see y'all in the next video, whatever that may be. Hopefully some performance parts, maybe. Hopefully. All right, y'all, peace.